To have a Wikipedia page, you'll need some fundamentals. That's what's coming up next on this episode of Wikipedia Best Practices. What is a Wikipedia page? It's the question that a lot of people ask. And specifically, Wikipedia is comprised of what they know as all human knowledge. What that means for a brand manager is it's comprised of all of the media clippings that ever related to the person, the product, or the company. And how is that sourced? That's from media relations and the media strategy. Your relationships with your journalists, the relationships you have with publications, those are going to be the driving force to creating the media articles that qualify for being included on a Wikipedia page. But what is not eligible on a Wikipedia page are LinkedIn profiles, a Crunchbase profile, a TechCrunch article, a Mashable article, Huffington Post. And why aren't they eligible is because it's not well known in the mainstream media. We have to be very cognizant and mindful that readers of Wikipedia aren't necessarily going to be in Hollywood, so they won't know the Hollywood Reporter, IMDb, or Variety. From a tech perspective, the average Wikipedia user is not going to know about VentureBeat, TechCrunch, or Mashable. From an automotive perspective, they're not going to know about, Automotive World and Auto Week. So it's important to really know that what is included on Wikipedia is mainstream media and third-party sources. What's not eligible on Wikipedia are social media profiles and blog sites.